Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be looking at some more 190e Mercedes-Benzes. If you've seen in one of my previous videos, I did the Team Transport 190e, but I now have the Eurospeed Project Cars 190e and the Open Track Momo 190e. So I thought, why not open them both up together. So here's a quick look back at the Falcon Tyres 190e from the Team Transport. That's the car, and that's the transport truck. I've got a video of me unboxing this, so I'll leave the link for that in the description. There's the transport truck. Right, let's get these two opened up. I think I'll start with the Project Cars Eurospeed. As you can see, a few more from this collection. Hoping to get the whole set at some point. So there we have it. It's got the Project Cars logo on the back wing, on the side, on the roof, on the bonnet. I like how they've added the kill switch cut off and the fire extinguisher pull labels as well on the front of it. That's pretty cool. Nice little detail. Really cool retro real rider wheels on there. There you have it, there's the Project Cars. E, the Eurospeed set. As you can see, it's the same casting as a Team Transport, just obviously different livery and different wheels. Let me know in the comments which rims you like the best on the 190e. Next we have the Open Track 190e, the Momo livery. There's a few from that set. I only have the AMG Mercedes GT3. Desperately after the Skyline. There's the Momo livery 190e, sporting the number 88. Same style rims as the Project Cars car. See the yellow roll cage, which is pretty cool. Logo on the rear number plate. 190E Mercedes badge. We've got Momo on the rear spoiler with KW suspension under that. Mercedes-Benz logo and the Momo logo on the door. And again on the bonnet, Mercedes-Benz in the windscreen. Yep, the Momo 190E. Got a bit of a soft spot for these cars. I do like these castings. There we have it. The open track Momo 190E. Black Project Cars Euro Speed 190E car, as you can see. Same rims, just different colour. And then as you would have seen in a previous video, if not, check it out. Falcon Team Transport 190E. But yeah, that was just a quick unboxing of a few more 190Es for the collection. Lots more to show off. Got a few nice bits in. If you've seen my unboxing video, you'll know what's to come. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Leave a comment below which rim set you like the most on the 190E. Give the video a thumbs up. I will see you on the next one.